So if you remember this guy, lastly, I got invited to curate some job openings for a weekly newsletter that's pretty big in the Ruby community, but I'm not gonna spoil it, and I'm gonna talk more about this next week. I said that I'm gonna come back next week and talk about the secret collab I'm doing. Well, I didn't, but now 2 months later, I'm back. So what I've been doing, I've been curating Ruby jobs for the Short Ruby newsletter, which is a pretty big newsletter in the Ruby community. So if you are into Ruby, Ruby on Rails, and you're looking for a job, go check that out. It's shortrubynewsletter.com. And in other news, I passed $1,000 in total revenue since I started indie hacking. So yay! Woo, yay for me. It's been a pretty long journey, and it's probably going to be a lot more months until I'm doing another 1K, probably. But yeah, we'll keep going until we reach our goal. We'll see how this goes. So let's dive into the apps. OG Pilot. I said I'm working on the domain management revamp and the API, and I did that. It's ready for people to use and test. I'm using it on all my apps right now, and it's going pretty great. I've integrated it even into Git Digest, where I added a really nice GitHub template where you get an OG image with a GitHub contribution graph, just like you have on GitHub with those little green squares and all that. And it's dynamically updated. So whenever you go to gitdigest.ai/changelogs and my company, that if you share that on social media, it will show how many contributions there were in the past 7 weeks, and some nice little colored squares that get updated as you share it every other day, because it's updated every 24 hours. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I've tried a couple of distribution channels. I tried some Reddit, I tried some Hacker News. None really paid off, and I still haven't launched on Product Hunt yet, but yeah, we'll see. Next up, Calm Companies, which is the paid newsletter I'm doing for companies that embrace a great work-life balance. And ever since I shooted the last video, I got 14 new subscribers on it, which is pretty great considering I'm not doing a ton of marketing on it. I'm still trying to do here also Reddit, Hacker News. I'm even cold emailing some local newspapers, but to no luck so far. We'll see. I'll keep going on this and see if maybe one of them will pay off eventually. But if not, I'm still gonna do these every week, and share them on social media, and hopefully more people will see it and will join the newsletter. And yeah, over the weekend, I worked on a new app that I launched. It's called Buzzketeer, which is a social media campaign template generator. And basically, it gives you for $9 nine on brand images that are optimized for the social media where you're posting to. So either if it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, you can just put in your website. The app automatically extracts your logo and your colors. You can give it some assets like reference images that you like as social posts, or other companies that you see have posted something as an inspiration for the app, and then you just click generate, sit back and relax for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you'll get an email with a zip file that it's ready. You can download and just open it up in Canva or Figma or whatever design tool you use for these types of social media post campaigns. And yeah, configure it there. Would love to hear your feedback on it. It's buzzketeer.com. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video too, so you can check it out and give me feedback on it. Would love to hear your thoughts too. And lastly, Git Digest. Haven't talked about this in a while. I'm working on migrating it over to Ruby on Rails so that I can host it on my own server and be able to scale it more easily and more cost effective. And I'll keep you posted on how that goes too. But yeah, this is pretty much it for now. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.